Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel where we talk all things cryptocurrency. In this video, we'll be discussing smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement written directly into code on a blockchain. So, let's jump right into it. Before I start, I want to clarify that this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. What are smart contracts? Smart contracts are a relatively new innovation in the world of blockchain technology. They are computer programs that automatically execute the terms of a contract when certain conditions are met. The terms of the agreement are written directly into code on a blockchain, which means that the contract is transparent, immutable, and irreversible. Smart contracts were first proposed by computer scientist Nick Szabo in 1994. But it wasn't until the invention of blockchain technology that they became a reality. Blockchain technology provides a secure, decentralized, and transparent platform for executing smart contracts. How do smart contracts work? Smart contracts work by executing automatically when certain conditions are met. The terms of the agreement are written directly into code on a blockchain, and the contract is self-executing. This means that once the conditions of the contract are met, the contract will automatically execute without the need for any intermediaries. Smart contracts can be used for a wide range of applications, from simple transactions like sending cryptocurrency to more complex applications like insurance policies and supply chain management. Benefits of smart contracts. One of the main benefits of smart contracts is their transparency. The terms of the agreement are written directly into code on a blockchain, which means that the contract is transparent, immutable, and irreversible. This makes it easy to verify that the contract has been executed correctly. Another benefit of smart contracts is their efficiency. Smart contracts can execute automatically without the need for any intermediaries, which means that they can be executed quickly and at a lower cost than traditional contracts. Challenges. Of course, there are also challenges to using smart contracts. One of the main challenges is complexity. Smart contracts can be complex to write, and they require a good understanding of both the underlying blockchain technology and the terms of the agreement being executed. Another challenge is security. Smart contracts are only as secure as the underlying blockchain technology, and there have been instances where smart contracts have been hacked or exploited. Conclusion. And there you have it, an overview of smart contracts and their importance in the world of blockchain. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement written directly into code on a blockchain. They offer transparency, efficiency, and security, but they also come with their own set of challenges. As always, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.